Hey YouTubers, Glock Perfection 23 here. Just want to do a quick review on the new Glock sights, night sights. Happen to like them. They look pretty good so far. Supposedly they use Meprolite tubes in them. The process on them, I believe the coating is the same as used on the Glock slides. I kind of like them. They're bright. We'll see how they work out. If anybody's thinking about switching up their sights, I would give these a shot. Factory Glock sights, Glock 23. Alright, see you on my next video. Glock Perfection 23.